Hey, Jimmy. Oh, forget that silly old thing on the wall. Look at Mama. Smile and talk. There you go.
Yeah.
I agree. It is a fabulous world. What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh my gosh.
That's right. That's what I think too. It's exactly what I think.
Oh my gosh.
Exactly what I think. Any more words in there for us? Any more words of wisdom? Well, that's a relief.
Oh yeah.
It's just a relief to know. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay. It's getting a little out of control now. Getting a little bit out of
Can't
control.
find the words.
Yeah, there's just so much. There's just so much to say. It gets clogged up. It's called jumping jacks without actually standing up.